Google's advanced search allows users to have more control over their searches, to find more pertinent websites and documents. For example, you're researching video games as a career, but are having trouble finding relevant sites using just the basic search. After you've done this initial search in Google, you'll notice a gear over to the right across the top of your search results that says Settings. Clicking on this, you'll find several settings, including a link to the advanced search. Here, you're given multiple boxes to mix and match your keywords, so you can structure your search better to find better results. The first box is where you'll type all the keywords that are important and need to be in your search results. The second box allows you to search for important keywords as phrases. This requires the words to be found next to each other. The third box is where you might include a variety of synonyms or related terms that will help narrow your search, but are far less important than the keywords typed above. Although all of these words may be in a result, only one of them needs to be. In the fourth box, you can type keywords to help exclude certain types of information. Perhaps you keep finding video games for sale. To avoid this, you can type price in the box. Next, Google Advanced provides a way to look for a range of numbers, which could be measurements, dollar amounts, dates, etc. As a reminder, Google provides basic definitions and examples to the right of each box. Below the boxes are ways to narrow your Google search further. You can choose the language of a site or select sites published in certain areas or sites updated within a certain time frame, and much more. One tool that works particularly well is the site or domain limiter. This will limit your results to only certain types of websites like government.gov, educational.edu, organization.org, commercial.com, or any other of your choosing. Government and educational sites tend to provide some of the best academic information on the web, so you may want to limit your search to one or both of them now. When you click Advanced Search, you'll see a big difference in the results found. Notice that your Advanced Search has been put into the basic search box. Remember to always check websites and documents for scholarship, accuracy, and reliability.